Just like doing the dishes, cleaning gives us a chance to take a break from our busy days and be present in the moment. We may not be thrilled about cleaning the house, but let's use this time to take care of ourselves and practice mindfulness. For this exercise, we'll focus on vacuuming. However, you can apply mindful cleaning to any household chore like dusting, mopping, or wiping down a counter. Let's begin when you gather your cleaning supplies. As you walk to get the vacuum, feel your feet moving across the floor. Notice the sensation of moving through space towards your supplies. When you pick up the vacuum, be aware of the sense of touch as you hold it in your hands. If your mind starts wandering to the future or the tasks ahead, bring yourself back to your body in the present moment. Vacuum can sometimes feel repetitive and boring. To help you stay present, try focusing on your senses and link them up with the movements of the vacuum. How does it feel in your hand? What can you smell? Can you see what it's sucking up? Pay attention to any mental states that arise. If you feel frustrated, acknowledge that frustration. And if you become curious about the spot you're cleaning, recognize that curiosity. As you continue cleaning, remember to check in with your body and your thoughts. Notice the movements, the repetition, and the emotions that come up. Return to your senses as many times as you need to. When you finish cleaning, stand still for a moment and take a deep breath. Observe the space you've cleaned and appreciate how it reflects your clear mind.